Back in Black by ACDC, standard tuning and no capo. The main riff starts off with an E major chord strummed down 1, 2, and a D strummed down, down, and an A strummed down, down. You have this little riff. 3 pull off to open on the high E, 3 pull off to open on the B, and 2nd fret on the G. We're going to bend it up a whole step, back down, release to opened. So, then go back to the E, down, D, down, up, down, A, down, down, then this riff. So you have 2 on the A, 4 on the low E, 2 on the A, 5 on the low A, 2 on the A, 6 on the low E, 2 on the A, 7 on the low E, sliding down. It's quite a stretchy little riff that. So E, D, A, first riff. E, D, A, stretchy riff. For the chorus, we're going to play the first part all in power chords. We have an A power chord, followed by an E power chord, a B power chord, back to the A, back to the B. So A, B, A, B, and repeat, A, B, A, B. Then we go to a G major chord, G, D chord, A chord, 3rd fret on the low E, slight bend, back to the A. Back to the first part through the riff. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Then we're going to go to a G chord and strum down, 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 D, down, down. So G, D, back into the main riff. So the whole chorus plays slowly. A, E, B, A, B, A, bridge, we're going to play low E string, 5, pull off to 4 on the A, pull off to 2 on the A. We'll play 4 on the A again, go down to 3 on the low E. Then we're going to have a run, 2A, 5E, 2A, 6E, 2A, 7 low E. This repeats, and then we play the whole thing only shifted down a string set. So we have open A, 5, 4, 2, 4 on the D, grab the 3 on the A, then the run 2D, 5A, 2D, 6A, 2D, 7A. For more guitar tutorials, check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.